My name is Greg Cvetanovich. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine and shoulder surgery at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center. As an athlete growing up, I had several injuries throughout the years and were treated by Ohio State sports medicine doctors. They helped me to understand my injuries and provided me with treatment that enabled me to get back on the field. This ability to identify and solve problems in order to help people get better is what sparked my interest in the field of orthopedic surgery and sports medicine. My approach to patient care begins with listening to the patient so that I can understand what symptoms prompted them to come and see me, what their goals are, and what they would like to get back to doing. Each patient deserves to have medical care individualized to their own unique problems and goals, not just based on an X-ray or an MRI result. From that point, I seek to explain their orthopedic problems to patients and work together with them to help them choose the best treatment for their situation. Whenever possible, I try to use non-surgical treatments that can help people get better without subjecting them to the risks of surgery. If surgery is necessary, I'll help prepare patients for what this entails, including the preparation for surgery, understanding the risks of surgery, discussing what impact the surgery would have on their quality of life during the post-operative period, as well as the expected outcome after they undergo the procedure. Sports medicine and shoulder problems often have a dramatic impact on people's quality of life, causing pain, weakness, and even interfering with their sleep. The most rewarding part about my job as a sports medicine and shoulder surgeon is getting the chance to help restore people's quality of life and help them get back to the activities they enjoy.